From learning in the restaurant side, we actually look at our hospitality programs because we need to start upskilling individuals in what they do in terms of how to run the restaurant, as well as the other management skills. We're sitting in a space here where in the greater vicinity, hospitality is a big part of what we do. In that, we've got individuals working in the space who very seldom have the ability to do certain things or have the ability to interact with customers. So with our hospitality management program, we look at things like customer service, where we look at training how to do customer service, as well as how to actually work in the kitchen, how we deal with front of house, how we deal with customer complaints. So we offer programs where we look at assertiveness, where we need to have people that be able to assert themselves and be confident about themselves, but we also look at it from the other side where we're dealing with public. And in dealing with public, we need to be able to understand who that person is, how they communicate, the best way that we can communicate with them, and also how we interact with them and deal with any problems that may come up.